Can't find a device in Windows Device Manager. The hardware may be hidden, disconnected, or missing its driver. In this guide, I'll show you several ways to make missing devices appear again. First, open Device Manager. Select Action from the top menu, then choose Scan for hardware changes. Windows will refresh the hardware list and look for connected devices. If the device still isn't visible, open the View menu and select Show Hidden Devices. Windows may now display devices that aren't currently connected or are using older configurations. Look through the relevant categories carefully. A network adapter may appear under Network Adapters, while a microphone can appear under Audio Inputs and Outputs. Yeah, the device isn't always listed where you might expect. Look for entries called Unknown Device or Other Devices. A yellow warning icon usually means Windows detected hardware but doesn't have the correct driver. Open Properties and check Device Status for more information. If you find an unknown device, right-click it and select Update Driver. Try Search automatically for drivers first. If that doesn't help, use the hardware manufacturer's official website to find the correct driver for your exact model. You should also check Windows Update. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and choose Check for Updates. Then check Optional Updates for available driver updates. For external devices, disconnect the hardware, wait a few seconds, and reconnect it. Try another USB port if possible. For internal hardware, make sure the device is properly connected and recognized by the computer. Finally, restart your PC and check Device Manager again. If the device still doesn't appear, the issue could involve the hardware itself, its connection, or a missing manufacturer driver. And that's how to fix Device Manager when devices aren't showing. Start with a hardware scan and hidden devices, then check drivers and physical connections. So, work through each step until Windows detects the hardware correctly.